The mood is set, so you already know what's next. TV on blast. My phone. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed a job. You see me ballin' in my fishbowl.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Paris and welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. And if you are new to this channel, hi girl, I hope that you do stick around and become part of the family. As you can see by the title of this video, today we are doing a bronzed makeup tutorial. So I am going to be showing you how I do or how I achieved this glam, this look, this bronzed makeup look. So stay tuned, grab yourself some snacks or drinks, and we are taking some notes, okay? So I hope that you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First up is skin prep. We are using the Nivea Micellar Water to remove any dirt, oil, or leftover products. Clean makeup equals to makeup that can last all day without caking. Skin prep is very important as it will make your makeup last. It also will stop the caking of makeup like during the day. It protects your actual skin and oil controls and shine. Next up is the Essence Skin Perfecting Toner. This balances my skin pH and tighten pores so makeup doesn't slide into them. It also helps to control any oil production since I have oily skin. Last but not least is the PDRN Pink Serum from Medicube. This gives me that plump bouncy base so my bronze makeup looks glowy and not dry. I mean, using hydrating products is very important even if you're going to wear makeup all day. Last and most important is sunscreen. This will help to protect your skin underneath makeup. Plus, it stops your bronze makeup from turning orange when you're in the sun. Bottom line is that makeup sits on top of the skin. Skin prep is what's underneath. Get the base right and everything else will melt in and look expensive. Did my eyebrows off camera and now we're doing our eyeshadow look. I'm using this LA Girl concealer as the base to brighten our eyeshadow. Since this is a bronzed makeup tutorial, we are gravitating towards the brown colors and I am using this eyeshadow duo from Essence. It is quite pigmented, but I want it to look like a light brown. If I was doing a smoky eye, this would be perfect for it. Here's how it looks after blending. Now I'm going to create a small crease with the same concealer and then set with a cream white eyeshadow or a white eyeshadow before adding the gold shimmer eyeshadow. Moving on to primer, I'm using the Essence Gripping Primer to hydrate and prime my face before foundation. I am using a brush today because I want to be extra, okay? But it is really not necessary. foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is honestly my summer shade, but I will work my way through with it. The brushes I'm using today, I have made a review on them on TikTok in case you want to know where I bought them, but most of my brushes are from Mr. Price and Shein. Concealer, I am using the Essence Concealer for contour. The contour shade must be 2 times darker than your skin shade. The placement is very important. Place your contour above your jawline, forehead, and also beneath your jawline. For highlights, we also using the same concealer from Essence, but to highlight, we're placing it on the chin, the nose, and the forehead. Another concealer from LA Girl that is the same shade as my skin tone to conceal under the eyes. Now we use an elongated brush for contour, and look at how I'm blending. The technique for a seamless makeup is knowing how to blend. Here we blend downwards towards the neck, downwards. Then here we blend upward to avoid making the face look saggy. With this technique, your face will look lifted and sculpted. Then for the forehead again, you can also blend downwards, and also don't forget your hairline if you are not wearing an installation. Now I am using a beauty blender to blend my concealer. Makeup is fun, guys, and if you know your steps and the technique, you can play around with the tools when doing your makeup. So it is not really necessary to use a brush or a beauty blender. It is totally up to you on what you want to use. We're going back again with the brightening concealer under the eyes, and we let it sit. When doing your eyes, never skip brightening your eyes, as this will make your makeup pop. with a clean brush or the brush you use to apply foundation, we just set everything together. This is where we are blending everything together just to remove any harsh lines caused by the brush and just to remove that excess products that is on our face. And then we go in with the setting powder using a powder puff to set under the eyes, the nose, the chin, and the forehead. Last but not least, we also go in with the contour powder to set the contour on the jawline, the forehead, and underneath the jawline again. I am using the bronzing pals from EP1 to set the contour on our cheeks and to create that bronzing effect for the whole makeup. Then we set our face before finishing off with the rest of the makeup and doing our lip combo, which is going to be nude because this is a bronzed makeup and everything needs to lean around the brown colors. And we're using this Catrice lipstick, which is a nudish pinkish color, and I love it so much. That is the end of this video. I hope that you did learn a thing or two on this video. Please comment down below if you guys would love to see more of those videos, and what did you like or what did you learn in today's video. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.